Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Okay, ask the question.
Trish, how many cats have you spayed this week?
0. I spayed 0 cats this week.
Because that's not what we're about this week.
A lot of weeks we make an episode surrounding what we've done to make the world a better place. At least in our heads, we think that's what we're doing. But not every week is humanitarian missions and spaying stray cats. We want to share little aspects of our life that make it more real for you so that you can live your best life. And this week we are going to explore RVs and how we decided to live small and how we picked the one that we live in currently. Now, when we first got started, I mistakenly referred to any RV as a camper, and I was quickly corrected by the salespeople that that was wrong. A camper fits in the back of a truck, of a pickup truck. What we have is actually a travel trailer, and it's a bumper pull. There are also fifth wheels, which have either a bedroom or a kitchen that go up over the back of the truck, and those require a special hitch. And there are toy haulers, which come with a garage. We love those. And if we decide to continue this for much longer, we'll probably upgrade to something like that.
With a hot tub in the back.
Yeah. As I've said before, when I go out and do humanitarian work, I'm not a savage, and I think I'm going to need a hot tub. In any household, it's really important for each family member to have a space to call their own, some place that they feel comfortable and welcome and that they can personalize to reflect who they are.
We're going to now do a tour of the trailer, including our personal sleeping spaces. One of the things that we really like about this little trailer is that when you first walk in the door, you turn here is Trish's room. Trish likes for her personal space to reflect her personality. She likes everything to be neat and clean and also very bright.
It's really important to each have your own personal space. This back here is the man cavern, with things that appeal just to the fellas in my life. To survive in a small space together for a year, I wanted to do as many things as I could to make it seem like home. One of the first things I did was add a little color to my kitchen by adding this stick-on vinyl tile, and I also made some curtains. If you're thinking about downsizing your lifestyle and moving into a travel trailer, you might want to give it a trial run in your house first. And that's pretty easy to do. You want to allow yourself to use only 2 or 3 kitchen cabinets, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. See if you can actually survive with just 8 outfits and 2 pair of shoes, because you're not going to have a lot of room. You won't be able to bring your entire collection of cookware. You get to select 1 pot and 1 pan. You're probably not going to be able to bring your KitchenAid mixer or your blender or a lot of the really fun convenience tools that you have in your kitchen right now. So if those things truly make you happy, this might not be for you. But if you think you can make do without it, then give it a try for a couple months and see what you think. Mike enjoys laying on the bed and looking out the window. It's important if you have pets to consider their need for space and what they enjoy doing. We keep a little box of toys for them under the dinette. If we don't do that, they just make their own, and then we can't find our socks or the toothbrushes. To make it homier in here, I added my own shower curtain, and I wanted to lighten it up a bit, so I put some white rugs on the floor. I was excited that we have a bathtub, and I actually do use this. You can see that we are having a lot of fun. There are many good reasons to decide to live small. We have saved a tremendous amount of money, and it's freed up our time to do things that are important to us. Our humanitarian work, our rescue work, and spend a little more quality time with friends and exploring our country and planet. What kind of turn is this? This is ridiculous.
This is called an airplane turn.
Oh my goodness.
Here's an update about Propane Marie from last week's episode. We stopped in to see her just yesterday. We had to call a couple of times, but presently she presented herself. She seems to be doing very well after her ordeal from last week. If you're near the junction of I-82 and Highway 730 in Oregon, stop in at Crossroads Truck Stop. The people there are taking real good care of a little calico they call Propane.